In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hold links, polls, and media in Reddit for review. This is a really useful moderation feature that helps you keep your community safe and organized by reviewing certain types of content before they appear publicly. First, make sure you're logged into Reddit with an account that has moderator permissions for the subreddit you want to manage. You'll need those permissions to access the tools we're about to use. Start by heading to your subreddit's main page. On the right-hand side, or sometimes in the community menu depending on your layout, look for the option labeled Mod Tools. This is your main control center for everything related to moderating the subreddit. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools to open the moderation dashboard. Once you're inside the Mod Tools area, you'll see a list of different sections that let you adjust various settings. What we want to focus on right now is anything related to posts and comments. Look for the option called Posts and Comments and click on it. This section controls how content is handled when users submit new posts or reply with comments. Within the posts and comments settings, you should find an option labeled Hold Content for Review in Reddit, or something very similar. This is the setting that lets you intercept certain types of content before they go live. Click on that option to open the detailed controls. Here, you'll see several types of content that you can choose to hold for review. The ones we're interested in are links, polls, and media. Media can include images, videos, and sometimes other attachments, depending on how Reddit categorizes them. To start holding these items for review, simply toggle on the option for links, polls, and media. When these toggles are switched on, any new posts containing these elements will be queued for moderator review instead of appearing immediately. After enabling these toggles, take a moment to think about how this will affect your workflow. You and your fellow moderators will now need to regularly check the moderation queue to approve or remove content. This extra step gives you more control and helps prevent spam, misleading polls, or inappropriate images and videos from slipping through. Once you've turned